Welcome to HyperNext Studio. This video shows how to make a simple calculator. The full project can be downloaded from the link below this video. First, the full calculator project will be loaded and shown working. Then a new calculator project built from scratch. Let's start by running HyperNext Creator. Run Creator by double-clicking the HyperNext Creator app. Now to load the full calculator project and quickly demo it. The project has one card, one field, 18 buttons and one static text. Its layout and functionality is quite basic, needing 6 fairly simple procedures. In all, there are 8 multi-line scripts. Now to quickly demo it. Create a new project using menu file with option New. Set the card's color to lilac or whatever you like. Then change the card's size to 400 by 480. Create one field as shown. Its size is 300 by 60. Text size is 30 and is right aligned. Create 18 buttons as shown. The video will skip showing most of this, but showing enough so you can understand it. 17 buttons are 60 by 60, with the equals button being 210 by 60. Set the button names and texts as shown. Create one static text as shown. Its size is 112 by 22. Now to preview the card. Note, the button arrangements do need tidying up. Next, the code will be filled in. But to reduce this video length, the scripts can all be downloaded from the links in the description below this video. Click the card and then click the script button. Go to the main code section and click the variables declaration area. Get script 1 code from the link in the description below this video and paste it into the variables section. Note it's good practice to also declare global variables where they are used, such as in procedures and buttons, etc. But that would clutter the code up and is not really needed in small projects like this. Let's make the 6 procedures and fill them in. The procedure reset calculator uses script 2. The procedure display refresh uses script 3. The procedure numeric pressed uses script 4. Note the check to avoid multiple decimal points being entered. The procedure equals pressed uses script 5. The procedure operator pressed uses script 6. The procedure calculate uses script 7. Note the error checking to avoid a divide by 0. Now for the card and buttons code. In the card's open event, enter code call reset calculator. Fill in the 11 numeric buttons code with call numeric pressed, where the parameter is the button's numeric value or else a decimal point. Fill in the 4 operator buttons code with call operator pressed, where the parameter is the operator's type. Fill in the equals button code with call equals pressed. Fill in the reset button code with call reset calculator. Fill in the clear button code using script 8. Now a quick look at making a splash screen. The splash screen is the small window that opens up before an app fully loads. It usually gives the name of company or developers and other info. There is the option of using either an image or just text. To keep it simple here, just text will be used. Now a quick look at making an About box. About boxes are usually accessed from the menu bar and give information just like a splash screen. They also have the option of using an image or just text. To keep it simple here, just text will be used. Next, to quickly test this calculator project. Now run your project, but if the editor opens, just fix your error and try again. Note the simple splash screen. It could have shown an image instead of this simple text. But this will be covered in a later video. Let's test the About box. Note that the menu looks messy and needs improving. But this will be covered in a later video. Now let's try the calculator for errors, etc. This concludes the simple calculator project. The next video will show some tips on using HyperNext Creator. Thank you for watching.